Hey guys, Reg here. Just got finished crying, but that's fine. So, back at it again with a new video this month, and I'd like to talk about a few things. I think that I'm gonna call this my video vlog, if you must. But I'm a little bit of a cry again, which is fine. It's like no big deal. So, I'm gonna crimp my hair while this happens because it's a little game. So, first, I want to talk about DQ, Dairy Queen. I hate it. I want to quit, and I want to cry, and I want to quit. But that's not even the problem. Yesterday that was the problem, but today, you know, I'm freaking over it. Yeah, whatever. So. Talking about why I'm crying. My brother is so mean to me. He's so mean to me. Okay, so my mom's like, he's coming to pick you up 15 after 9, and the store closes at 9. So I'm like, okay, that's fine. I'll probably have like 15 minutes to get ready. That's fine. Whatever, I can do that. So then I go and I start cleaning up, and then he texts me 2 minutes after that and says, I'm here. And so I'm like, I'm not ready. So I start cleaning up as fast as I can. And then he comes in about 20 minutes later and he's like, I've been waiting 30 minutes. What's taking you so long? But he says it really rudely, like, 30 minutes. And then he's like, I'm trying to clean. You came early. And he's like, and he's just got mean. He's like, are you done? And I was like, I'm trying. So anyway, we go. We're walking, and I'm on my phone trying to ignore the situation because I hate his guts. I'm walking, and he's like, pick your feet up. So I'm like, okay. So I start picking my feet up because I want to provoke him. And so then we're walking, and I'm like on my phone doing whatever, and he like pushes me, and he's like, you better walk in the kiosk. So you're not paying attention. I'm like, Austin, you can't push me. So we get in the car, and I'm like, you don't have to be mean. You don't have to push me. He's like, oh, grumpy boy. Okay, so then we are going, and then we're in the car. I'm like, whatever. So then I'm holding like 3 drinks on my phone, and he's like, go. And I'm like, can you open the door? Like, I like don't have enough hands. And he's like, you open it. I'm like, I like don't have enough hands. Like, you open it. I'm like, Dustin, you can stop, blah, blah. He's like shoving me and he's hurting me, and I start crying, and he gets up and he opens the door for me. I don't understand. He has to be so mean all the time. Can't handle it. Anyway, that's the first thing. Second thing, I love crimped hair. This like for sure isn't working. A game review on this game app. It's called it's called PewDiePie's Tuber Simulator. I'm having a really fun time on it. You like can just go on and off every once in a while. And there's PewDiePie, which you can never go wrong with Pewts. So here I just got a door, and I didn't level up, which is actually very sad. I have my house, which is for sure a work in progress. Okay. This is going great, by the way. If you crimped hair, you make videos and you get views. Not real views or not real videos, but good clicks. So yeah, it's a lot of fun. 10 to 10 would play again. Next thing I want to talk about, let me just think about it. Hola boys, Reg here, back at it again with a new video. This year, I will discuss the top 10 do's and don'ts of making a vegan, gluten-free donut from scratch using a microwave. So, the first do is use not eggs, because eggs are vegetarian. Next tip is to don't not put oil in a bowl and then put the dough in the bowl and then microwave it, because it has to be from the microwave. Next do is to use a high quality microwave on high. Do put it in for 5 minutes in the pot of oil. Do not use wheat, because wheat is gluten. Don't let your dumbass brother eat any, because he will make fun of you and he'll push you again. Do fill a donut with hot sauce and then give it to him. Don't give it to any boys or crushes, because they won't like it. And you'll look dumb. Do put icing, dip it, because it'll enhance the flavor and make it sweet, because glutens can't eat sugar, so it's not going to be sweet. Hey guys, welcome back to the intro. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of my top 10 series. If you wanted more, or have any ideas for me, subscribe, like, and comment. I can't get your comments unless you are subscribed and like the video. Also, Maddie, Hannah, and Valeria are required to follow this channel, and I kind of realize you guys aren't, and that deeply upsets me, and that's why I'm crying right now. That's the real reason.